Unraveling Idioms, watching like a hawk. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, watching like a hawk. This idiom is widely used in English conversations, and understanding it can add a colorful dimension to your communication skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, watching like a hawk, is an idiom that means to watch something or someone very closely or with great attention to detail. Hawks are birds of prey known for their excellent vision and ability to spot their target from a great distance. When someone is watching like a hawk, they are as attentive and focused as a hawk is when searching for its prey. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, watching like a hawk, likely comes from the natural behavior of hawks. These birds have incredibly sharp eyesight, which they use to track down their prey even from high in the sky. This comparison to human behavior of observing something with great care and attention highlights the intensity and focus of the observation. Now that we know what the phrase means and where it comes from, let's see how to incorporate it into our everyday language. 1. In supervision, the teacher was watching the students like a hawk during the exam to make sure no one cheated. 2. In parenting, with young children at the park, parents need to watch them like a hawk to ensure they're safe. 3. In work or projects, he was watching the stock market like a hawk, ready to sell his shares at the right moment. Like many idioms, watching like a hawk can be varied slightly while retaining its original meaning. For instance, keeping an eagle eye on, monitoring closely, keeping a close watch. These variations can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and your personal preference. Understanding idioms like watching like a hawk can greatly enrich your English vocabulary and make your conversations more vivid and expressive. Remember, idioms are a key part of language learning that reflects the culture and history of its speakers. We hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and usage of this idiom. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it in your conversations. See you in the next video.